How are we all doing, lads? First off the bat, I just want to say the Mini is kind of sort of nearly done. A little bit of an ABS light on handbrake warning light, but as far as I'm aware, you'll see why in the video. But anyway, lads, what I want to say is I want to say a little sorry, or a big sorry, to everybody that I was texting just to say that I was coming to this Extreme Car Meets show, and you probably hear me referencing it a little bit in this video. But at the time of recording, I actually forgot that I had the MRI on my heart, and we got reminded about it then on the Thursday or Friday morning. That was on the Saturday. But long story short, lads, I was just not able to make it. I'm so sorry, but what I'm going to do is I want to just try my hardest and try my best in future to try and get to these meets and stuff, because I really need to get out there. I really want to see everybody of Ireland's cars, and I just want to go and see what the crack is all around the country. So lads, with that, enjoy this build, and don't forget to hit that link in the description. My eyes are killing me here. Hit the link in the description if you want to donate to the fundraiser. I'm going to be releasing the raffle on this little thing now very, very soon. So lads, enjoy the video. Have a good one. My eyes are bits. So lads, it looks like it's the wrong plugs that were ordered or given, or I don't know, because it does say there is two different types of plugs for them. And lo and behold, we have the two different types of plugs here. But I did look them up, and it says that they are compatible, but I don't want to particularly run them. They're the same thread length, everything, just the top. Don't want to run it. So what we'll do is we'll bring them back and we will get new ones. But we will continue changing bits and pieces. Let's do the air filter, that's pretty handy. Right. Is there just the one on it, is there? Come here to me, a little beauty. That was already loose there. Let's not dirty you up now. Oh, you're a weird shape. Look at the shape of, oh sure, look at the shape of that. What am I looking at? Oh, Jesus Christ, lads. Is there another one on her? Has to be another one on it. There is, look at that. That's not as easy as the Jazz one to change, let me tell you, lads. That Jazz one there now, it's going to be hard to beat that. Sorry about that, guys. Come on for you. There we go. Oh, excuse me. Not that dirty. Not that bad. But I changed the oil. Oh lads, and changed the oil filter, but the bung for the oil is just in ribbons. I don't know, I don't even know what size it is. I'll give you a look of it in a second, right? But I got the air filter changed in it. Plugs are wrong, you might have seen from last night or so. But I am going to get the new ones today. They're on order to be in at 3 o'clock. So we have to just do a little makeshift job to try and get the oil out of this. Check out this oil bung. So we get underneath the car here a bit. Let's see it. I don't even, lads, a 12mm socket won't go onto it. It is just fluffed. May do something else. So guys, since the bung was absolutely wrecked, what I've done is I've just got a bit of washer piping, like for your washer jets. Just took that off of a Suzuki Grand Vitara that I have just in scrap in the field there. And what I've done is I've put a one-way valve on it. I've put a one-way valve on it, and it's a pump. And just pumping up the oil, and it's already coming through. Just take a bit of time, but It's the only option we have, and at least it'll work. We'll get our oil changed. In an ideal world we'd have a vacuum pump, but I just don't have one. Time's a great one though, lads. We'll get that.
A few moments later.
So guys, I found a little vacuum pump that I had because the little hand pump was not working and it would have been there for about a week. Have a look. Good job. Let that do its thing there for a few minutes and we're golden. Check this out though, guys. The oil filter housing is broken on top of everything. So we got our work cut out, lads. The oil is out finally. Took a long time to take it out, and to be fair, there was not much in it. Dear Lord, I knew that from the dipstick, even there wasn't much in it. But come here, right, let's try and get this oil filter housing off so we can get the oil filter out. It's gonna be a mission. So guys, as you can see, it was played with before. No, it had to have been played with before. Should have been due a service or two. But I don't have a tool to take it off, and it's in a very awkward spot. Not much space. So let's have a gander and see if we can get it off. So since that's a little bit on the broken side, that I'm going to do this little trick that I learned back in Nam. Go on, you boy, yeah. Oh, if you go on, that is, now. There we go, look at that. And then how does it come off the shoe? I don't know if it even will. I have to get underneath it. I have to get underneath it to do it. Fuck you. Guys, I've tried every tool that I have or don't have to get this oil cap off. Tried that trick that I learnt in Nam, and it's looking like I'm going to have to buy the tool and stop being a duck and be a sheep. Nah. Follow the crowd and buy the tools, lads, huh? So what I did do for one last try. Let's see if it comes off. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it doesn't come off, lads, I'm going to vice grips. I'm going to always trust in a pair of vice grips, lads. So I'm going to just give it a little wibble and see does she come off at all. And oh, God, don't you dare! After everything, this car is a roller coaster of emotions, lads. I gotta get this off now. Whoop whoop! And just like that, go on. It got loosened with the vice grips. Isn't that deadly? Sure. Keep her lit there. No, she's off. It's not getting much oil in it. Shouldn't be because it's upside down, isn't it? Look at this. Oh, be the Lord, when does that change last? Lads, we got that filter off anyway, well. What a struggle, and it looks like it hasn't been changed in a while. Give it a minute clean. The old oil ring. Oh god, she's a little on the harder side now. Okay guys, well, let's take out the filter, I suppose. Oh. Lovely. Let's just throw that in the bin. We will now just give it a little clean on the outside. Lovely. Stick on the new rubber ring. Oh Jesus, it's so much more flexible. That has not been changed in a while, lads. By the looks of it.
New rubber ring on. Lovely. Ready to go back in. She's a bit tight now. You'll have to get two hands on that. On that bombshell of the oil filter going back in, we'll top this up. I don't have the spring clamps needed to do the rear shock today, so I might end up doing it in my mum and dad's house the weekend or something, but we'll soon see. But anyway, lads, don't forget to subscribe and hit that link below to donate to the charity.